Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing the bowl and blade so you can see the drive shaft and thread clearly. Use a wrench size to the retaining nut. This prevents rounding and saves time. Once done, take a quick photo of the current assembly to guide reassembly later, because visual memory fails under pressure. Make sure parts are on a clean towel so small nuts or washers won't roll away, and you can begin the thread change immediately. You now loosen the retaining nut while stabilizing the drive shaft to avoid twisting internal gears. Once removed, inspect the exposed thread. Identify diameter and pitch so you match the replacement correctly. This is why inspection matters. Clean the shaft with solvent and a brush to remove debris. Then install the new thread insert or helicoil using the correct driver, seating it fully to factory depth. Tighten progressively to ensure the insert aligns with the mating part and engages smoothly. You finish by reinstalling the retaining nut and tightening it snugly. Don't over-torque because you can strip the new thread. Once reassembled, put the blade and bowl back and run a short no-load test to verify smooth rotation and that the chopper engages normally. If you hear grinding, notice wobble, or the blade stalls, stop immediately. Loosen the nut, realign the insert, or replace damaged parts. This troubleshooting step saves the motor and confirms the thread change was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.